أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome all of the students of grade 4 fearless for the Islamiat lesson. And before going to the lesson, I want to tell you some precautions. As you know, the whole world is suffering from the virus known as coronavirus. What you need to do is to take care of yourself by cleaning your hands with regular intervals and by keeping yourself safe and the people living around you. So I request all of you to please stay at home, study from home, and keep yourself safe. So as you can see, the first lesson is in an Islamic study, that is Allah is the creator. And what we need to do is we need to do the reading of the unit, and we have to solve the activity page. So when you're gonna open the book, you're gonna have this is the first unit. Allah is our creator. Allah has given us many wonderful gifts like eyes, ears, tongue, and the whole body. This is everything is a blessing from Allah. Allah has created everything. Allah is our creator. He is our sustainer as well. He's been sustaining the human race from the time of the first man. And who was the first man, students? Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. He's also known as the father of the human race. So in the middle of this chapter, we're going to study that how we can learn about Allah. We can learn about Allah by looking around the nature, by studying the Holy Quran. We're going to study the Holy Quran, we're going to know about Allah. By looking around the nature like the sun, moon, the trees, the birds, we can learn about Allah. The Holy Quran even appeals to us to observe the object of a nature, but only a few people give thought to this. If we're going to see and have a glance or a stance of the people, over the human race, over the creation of Allah, like trees, every stuff, we can easily know about Allah, His greatness as well. So you have to read all the chapter. Then afterwards, I'm going to show you a video that will encourage you to know about Allah, that Allah has created everything. Let's watch the video. So students, this was the wonderful video. And you can have the name of the video is Allah has made everything. You have to watch the full video on the YouTube as well. So here are some questions we have to do for the activity once we're done with the chapter reading and then this video as well. So first question was, mention some of the wonderful gifts given to us by Allah. We can't even count the gifts, but let me name a few of them. Allah has given us many wonderful gifts such as eyes, ears, tongue, and whole body. We have taken these answers from the textbook as well. So let's move to the question number 2. Who has been the sustainer of all men from Adam down to this day? Allah has been sustaining the human race from the time of first man down to this very day and right now. Let's move to question number 3. There are various ways to know about Allah. Mention some of them. We can learn about Allah from the Quran as well and from by looking around the nature. Let's move to the question number 4. What does the Holy Quran appeal us to do? The Holy Quran appeals us to observe the objects of nature, but only few people give thought to this. Let's write 10 sentences about Allah. You can write the 10 sentences about Allah by reading the textbook. Here I have mentioned the 10. If you need help, you can read these 10 as well. So I'm like moving these 10 sentences very slowly so you can have the look. Question number 6. Mention a few of the wonderful gifts we enjoy given to us by Allah. Other than the mention in the lesson, we can mention everything. Like we do have the friends, siblings, family. We have good food to eat. We have good living standards. Everything is given to us by Allah. So we can't even mention the whole stuff. It will take the whole life to mention, right? So question number 7. What is man created from? Allah has created man from clay. We call it a chikni mitti in Urdu. What are jinns created from? Allah Ta'ala ne jinn ko kisse banaya? Allah has created jinn from a clear flame, arc. So I have made some fill in the blanks for you to make the understanding proper for the unit number 1. I believe you can see the filling blanks. Everything in the nature has a dash to give. message obviously. So these are 3 MCQs. You can, sorry, the filling blanks. You can read it, you can understand it. It will help you to understand the whole lesson. So I believe we are quite done by the understanding of unit number 1. Allah has created a new thing. So I request all of you, so always take care of yourself first. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. Allah Hafiz.